In today's video, I will put you through on how to connect your iPhone to Windows PC wirelessly. It is a new feature, so let's just get right into it. So I am on my Windows PC home screen. The first step you need to take once you're on the desktop section like this is to click on this start button, okay? Then you will see these settings here, select it. But if you cannot find these settings on this start page, click inside this box and type settings. Okay, settings. It will show up. Once it shows up, select it. You'll be landed on a page that looks like this. Okay, this is the home page of the settings. All right, our interest here is to connect an iPhone, okay, to this PC. Then get to device, Bluetooth and devices. Click on that. Once you click on these Bluetooth and devices, the next step is to scroll down to these mobile devices. Okay, click on these mobile devices. Once on these mobile devices, you see this first right up here. Okay, the second after this, you say allow this PC to access your mobile devices. Turn this on. Then come to this session and you will see phone link. Instantly access your mobile devices from this PC, from your PC. Turn this thing on. All right. Okay, beautiful. Then it says use your mobile device from your PC. Make calls, keep up with conversations, view your phone notifications, and more. So what you need to do is there, it say choose your device. I'm using iPhone, so I'll click on iPhone. Now, you say I should turn on Bluetooth, so turn on the Bluetooth of your iPhone while you still turn this one on, if it is turned off, okay? So I'm going to turn this on here. Then it says scan the QR code with your iPhone camera and allow link to Windows. So now let me scan this QR code from here from my iPhone. All right. So I am on my iPhone right now. So I will then tap on camera, then focus it on this QR code. Okay, I will select photos option. Okay, they're good. I'll focus it. And I will say pair your device. I will tap on that option. And then it has detected this, and I will say link to Windows. Okay, so it needs to install an application on this my iPhone. I will type end get. Okay, then I'll continue with the installation on my iPhone. Okay, now I'm done installing this on my iPhone. I will tap on open, and then I will say scan the QR code on PC, allow. Then I will scan it. I will say continue. Okay, you can see how it's working. Then allow. Then pair. All right. You can see this code on my PC as the connection is established. Okay, I will say pair. All right, pair. So the two devices are being paired right now. Tap on allow on my iPhone. Share files between GT iPhone and this PC. Okay, so I will tap on continue on my PC. Then I will select this account and I will continue. So on this my iPhone, I will tap on sign in. Then I will continue. So this dictates some, email addresses here. You say choose the account used with phone link on your PC. Okay, you can see this email, the second email here. Use the tech update. That's the one that is used on my PC. So I will tap on that. Then I will tap on sign in. Okay. Okay, it says I should type the full email. So I'll type here, I know the full email, and I will type it in. Then I'll tap on send code. And the code it will get to this backup email, and I will pick it and then I will insert it here. All right, so I'm going to enter the code here. So I will enter it here. 210195, and I'll click on sign in. So it's trying to sign in right now, and I'll tap on allow. Then I'll got this screen right now. I'll tap on allow. I can see what is here. Note that the first time I tried doing this, I didn't succeed until I did it again. So if you didn't go through when you tried this the first time, retry again. Okay, so here I'm taking to this interface and it's telling me that I should grant permission from my device, okay, from your mobile device. So let's get back to my iPhone and see how to grant this permission. All right, so walk with me, let's move. So on this my iPhone, I will tap on settings. Okay, once I'm on the settings page, I will tap on Bluetooth. And the Bluetooth is turned on. You can see GTech is connected already, which is my PC in this case. Then tap on this eye icon, the eye symbol, all right, on that GTech. Then you can see show message notifications. So what I will need to do is to toggle this button on, the button to show message notifications. Okay, so this one says sync contacts. I will toggle it on again. All right, so you can see from here, I feel, let's get back to my PC right now. So you can see I've done this now and all my contacts have been synced to this PC. All right, so let's click on this message icon. You can see this message icon is still, I don't have permission for that. All right, if you click on show more, you will see what it needs you to do on your iPhone. Open settings, Bluetooth, then the eye icon, and then GT name. Okay, turn on show message notifications and sync contacts to access SMS. Okay, so now let's get back to my iPhone again to see what we can do from there. So here I am on the settings page. I'll tap on Bluetooth, then I'll tap on this icon as directed. Then once you tap on this eye icon, what did it say I should do again? It says once you tap on the eye icon, okay, tap on the icon next to GTech, then tap on show message notification and sync contact. All right, so you can see show message notification is already toggled on here. So what they mean is, okay, all these things are in place. So what do we do next? Why is it not showing on the PC? Okay, let's get back to our PC. On this PC, I will click on show me more how. Then all these things I have done that. So I will tap on done. All right. So let's see what happens next. And you can see, it says welcome to message. Send and receive messages from your PC. Click next to learn more. Okay. Then next, it says group media notifications. Next. Then it says sync your messages. Next. Then unknown members close. Okay, unknown numbers, I'll click on close. So now you can see I have now have access to messages as well as other calls. So I can make call from here and I can send messages right here from this my PC. So with this feature, you can then do a lot from here at ease. Okay, so this is how it works. If I want to make call now, I'll click on here, then I'll select a contact I want to call and I'll call the person. Or I can dial the number here and give it the call. Type the number and give it a call. So that's how it works, okay? I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing, all under tech, okay? So subscribe to learn more from the contents published on this YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have some questions, please do drop them in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. All right, you can watch this video here to learn more on how to complete tasks on iPhone as well as computers. All right, thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.